The name Jake has a value of 27, and the boy Jake was 11 years old. The boy Nathan was born on the 24th of November, which is the 11th month, and he was 13 years old. That is Jake Wetterling from Minnesota and Nathan Breeze from Australia. 11-year-old Jake, 13-year-old Nathan. Just happens to be the time here. Galunggung is the name of a volcano in Indonesia. Java, Indonesia. Beauticanar, another name for the same volcano, the same mountain. Beauty equals tuber, kana equals thorn. Sundanese. Tropical cyclone Dahlia was named by Indonesia, or by the Indonesian Meteorological Agency, after it formed below Java on 29th of November 2017. Mount Agung was erupting in Bali, Indonesia at that time. What is a tuber? Dahlia, Iris are both tubers. Dahlia was the first tropical cyclone in Australian waters this season. Iris is number 9. True. Iris also resurrected, came back to life on Easter Monday. Easter. Jesus, crucifixion, thorns. Gets weird. Gets weirder. British Airways, Flight 9 was on 24th of June 1982. 24th of June 1982. The name Jake, like I said, has a value of 27, which is the forecast temperature today for Canberra. 4th of the 4th, today's the 4th of April. 4th of the 4th, 2018. Jake, 27. 2 plus 7 is 9. 24th of June 1982, the date of the Jakarta incident, British Airways Flight 9 had to make an emergency landing in Jakarta after it encountered volcanic ash from Mount Galunggung. A plane that had started off in London had left Kuala Lumpur Airport en route to Perth, had to turn around and make an emergency landing because it lost power to all 4 engines. Managed to restart 3 of them. 24th of June 1982. 27 years later, who was born? A boy was born in Jakarta 27 years later. 24th of June 2009. 2009 was the year that Nathan Breeze died. Black Saturday bushfires. Nathan, the boy who was born on the 24th of November. Samuel was born 24th of June, the same year that Nathan died, 137 days after Nathan died. 2 boys born on the 24th. 2 plus 4 is 6. June is the 6th month. 6, 6. 6 times 6 is 36. That's the number of years between 24th of June 1982 and 24th of June 2018. Two 4s are 8. Samuel equals 71, and 7 plus 1 is also 8, which is Samuel's current age, 8. He turns 9 on 24th of June 2018. 3 plus 6 is 9. Iris is the 9th tropical cyclone of this tropical cyclone season, 2017-2018. The first one was Dahlia. Dahlia and Iris. Galunggung, beauticanar, tuber thorn in Sundanese. Dahlia named by Indonesia. Iris, also a cyclone that came into Australian territory from elsewhere. Both are tubers. tuber thorn. Iris, the zombie cyclone. The cyclone that resurrected came back from the dead on Easter Monday. Number 9. Flight number 9. And the boy who's turning 9 on 24th of June, 2018. It's a lot of 9s.
You have been chosen. Gather your Vikings. Set a course for new lands and lead them in conquest. Give them glory in combat and gold by the sword. Empires will fall as you claim your place in Valhalla. Play Vikings, War of Clans.
Tropical cyclone warning for the Yeppoon area has now been cancelled, but there is still a warning in place between Bowen and Shoalwater Bay. And overnight, we've seen gale force winds across the Whitsunday Islands. Having a look at the radar, you can see the rain is spinning clockwise around the centre of Tropical Cyclone Iris, which has been roughly 200 kilometres off the coast overnight, moving parallel to the coast. Now, you'll notice on the radar, the heaviest rain is sitting well offshore. The system is just too far off the coastline to bring heavy rain. That rain actually eased quite rapidly during the second half of the morning. So we're not seeing widespread flooding from this event. However, in the 24 hours to 9 a.m, just that area around Airlie Beach, Preston, for example, picked up over 100 millimetres of rain. So that's where the heaviest rain has been. Now, we still have a cyclone warning in place, though, between Bowen and Shoalwater Bay. We do have a Category 2 system, mean winds 95 kilometres per hour, mean gusts, maximum gusts up to 130 kilometres per hour, but those destructive winds near the centre are sitting a couple of hundred kilometres off the coastline. However, if the system takes a more southerly path today rather than a southeasterly path, which we have seen over the past 24 hours or so, we could see gale force winds also develop across the central mainland in that area covered by the red shading. That could include Mackay and St Lawrence. But the only area where we have seen sustained gale force winds so far have been across the Whitsunday Islands. Hamilton Island, for example, has gusted up to 106 kilometres per hour overnight, and Hamilton Island Airport was closed as a result. Here is the forecast track. Now, we are expecting Iris will weaken over the next 24 hours as it encounters some wind shear on a southeasterly track roughly parallel to the Queensland coast. As a result, the heaviest rain, the strongest winds, more than likely will remain off the coast, but there is just that slight risk that we will see some severe weather developing around that central part of the coast, including parts of the Capricornia district. Either way, it will be a wet and windy day for eastern parts of Queensland. Now, if you require the assistance of the SES during severe weather, their numbers on screen, 132 500.
Don't know if you heard that, but a plane flew over in the middle of that.